Hello, my Nissan Leaf friends. As many of you know, after you installing our brand new battery, we will ask you to ship your original BMS to us. Because these original BMS can be reused, we will reprogram them for other Leaf owners who want to upgrade their batteries. But recently, I noticed that some brands don't know what is the BMS, where is the BMS, or how to remove and reinstall it correctly. So today you are in the right place. We will walk you through every step to remove and reinstall it correctly. So the first question, what is the BMS? BMS is an abbreviation for Battery Management System. Someone calls it LBC, Lithium Battery Controller. So do you know the main functions of the BMS? The first function is monitoring. Continuously check each cell's voltage, temperature, and overall pack current. The second function is protection. Prevent overcharging, over-discharging, over-temperature, and short circuit. The third function is balancing. Keep cell voltages equalized to maximize usable capacity and extend battery life. Another function is estimation. Calculate and report SOC and SOH. SOC stands for state of charging, the percentage shown on your dashboard. SOH stands for state of health, indicating the battery condition. But this value cannot be displayed directly on the dashboard. So you can use an OBD2 dongle and the Leaf Spy app to check the battery performance. For a brand new battery, the SOH value should be 100%. If this value keeps decreasing, it means the battery is degrading. In short, on the Nissan Leafs, the main functions of the BMS are to monitor, protect, balancing, and estimate the high voltage battery pack, ensuring the battery operates safely, efficiently, and with the longest lifespan. Next, we will show you how to remove the BMS from original battery pack. Okay, this is the original 40 kWh battery pack. The BMS is inside the battery pack. So the first step is to open this battery case cover. So remove all the screws on the service plug connection. And remove the screws on the cover. Carefully screw the sealant with a utility knife. Then use a pry tool to gradually spread the cover. The cover is removed now. The BMS is right over here, so we need to disconnect all the harness and remove all the screws on the BMS bracket. So let's do it. Disconnect the welding harness on the side of the BMS. And disconnect the welding harness under the BMS. Okay, removed. So this is what we need. It's much lighter and smaller. You can ship it back to us by DHL or FedEx. We just guided you how to remove the BMS from original battery pack. So now follow us, we will show you how to install the BMS onto our brand new battery pack. Here is the installation position of the BMS. It's the same location as the original OEM battery pack. Before installing the BMS, please check the voltage and the insulation value. So let's do it. We need these two tools for testing. This one is voltage tester, and this one is insulation tester. So we first check the voltage. Our factory follows strict work procedures. We need to measure voltage 3 times and insulation value 4 times. First, we check the voltage between the BDU positive to service plug negative. This value is 201 volts. Now we check the other end. It's BDU negative to service plug positive. This value also is 201 volts. So these two values should be keep the same value. Next, install the service disconnector plug on the service plug. Now we check the voltage between BDU negative to BDU positive for the new battery pack. The voltage is 402 volts for this complete battery pack. Now please remove the service disconnector plug for testing the insulation value. Now we check the service plug negative to the ground. Now we check the other end. Please remember this insulation value should be greater than 50 megvolts. Next, we check the insulation value between the BDU negative to the ground and measure the insulation value between BDU positive to the ground. Let's take a look at the details of the BMS. There are 2 ports on the side of the BMS and 4 ports on the bottom of the BMS, so total have 6 ports on the BMS. Please note that these 2 plugs both are 24 pins. This one is connected to the side of the BMS, and this one is connected to the bottom of the BMS. So please don't connect them in wrong way. Please remember a simple rule. All signal harness from the modules connected to the bottom of the BMS. This plug is temperature sensors and no voltage signal harness. These 2 connectors should be connected to the side of the BMS. Okay, the BMS is installed. Because the battery is out of the vehicle, so now we use OBD2 to battery adapter cable to check the battery condition. When here shows green color is connected, please make sure the static voltage difference is less than 30 millivolts and the temperature readings match the environment temperature, and the temperature difference is less than 3 degrees Celsius. All values are normal. Now fix the BMS. We have some customers who very kindly sent back their BMS to us. But when we received the package, we found the BMS was burned out. So learning how to correctly connect and disconnect the BMS is extremely important.